So, good day. My article is about Fractional HR, the Future of Flexible HR Leadership by Gar Flack and Dominic Seed on May 6, 2025. So, ayon sa kanila, Fractional HR Leadership is tumutukoy sa mga experienced C-suite HR professionals. Kumbaga yung C-suite is mga matataas na level ng executives na nagtatrabaho sa company ng part-time pero embedded basis. Kumbaga, kahit part-time sila is kasama sila sa operations ng company. So, nagbibigay sila ng high-level strategic HR guidance na kahit hindi sila full-time hire ng company. Ayon sa kanila, ang model na to is ideal sa mga company na kailangan ng agad-agad ng HR expertise sa strategy, transformation, organizational design, nang hindi sila nag-hire ng full-time or hindi sila nagko-cost ng full-time hire. And si fractional HR professionals is nag-deliver ng flexible, cost-effective, and bigay ng high-level HR expertise sa company or naayon sa company na goals and needs.